She sells like a pro, says when I add schema markup to my GHL pages and then test it, it says no items found. Then when I test the schema code itself, rather than the page link, it says it's valid. Any ideas what I could be doing wrong? I placed it in the header tracker area of GHL. Well, I can demonstrate where it is. I'll pause the screen real quick and get into one of my sites and I'll show you what I'm talking about. And it does work. So, and I'll prove it. Unless something changed, which is always possible. All right, so here we are. This is Albemarle Felling Pro. This is just one of my Felling Pro sites. So we're going to go over here. And we're going to look here. And we're going to go view this home page. You can even just, because it's showing the home slug, but you'll see that I've got a canonical there that points to the root domain without a slug for home. So I'm just going to click on that, go to that page URL. And we're going to go over to Schema Markup Validator. We're going to take the home page. We can look at the location landing page too, which is going to be the Albemarle, or excuse me, Charlottesville page. And you can see that there's schema here. Okay. I'll show you where that schema is. You know, guys, this is the home page, high level site. Okay. Corporation schema right here. Right. Let me show you where that is. We're going to go into edit the page. You do this on a page by page basis, by the way. So you go in and you're going to click on SEO, or excuse me, head tracking, the tracking code right there. Right there's that corporation schema that you guys are seeing right here. Okay. It's the exact same schema. The code, if we click right here, that's this code right here that we're looking at. It's the exact same code. Okay. So it works. Remember, there's some caching because everything goes through Cloudflare when you're using high level sites. And so it may be that you were just looking at it too quickly. I don't know, but or maybe you put it in the wrong place, but it does absolutely work. Let's just change pages real quick. And we're going to go to the Charlottesville, which is the location landing page. And I'll show you again. Let's go click on that. We're going to click on Charlottesville, copy the URL, go back over to the schema validator, run new test, paste it in, click run test, and you're going to see home and construction business schema on this page. Very thorough home and construction business schema, right? Okay, so go back to the page builder. We're looking at the Charlottesville page now. Head tracking code right there, home and construction business schema. So it absolutely works. I'm not sure why you're having problems, but make sure that you're in the header tracking section of each page, paste it in, make sure that you click save and publish, or just publish. If you click publish, it's automatically going to save it, but make sure you click save and publish, because sometimes I know I've had support requests come in from our high-level users from the DHA program and say, I'm not seeing any of the changes on my website. And then I get on a support call with them and they never click the publish button. They've clicked save, but not publish. So make sure you're doing that too. Okay, but it does work. So, and if it doesn't, if you still have problems, contact high level support. They'll help you out. That's what they're there for.